Lunchbox time. Start off with an apple. Cucumber, carrot, and pepper. I'm doing him a roll, but I have an egg boiling for it, so I'll do that last. This is a mini scone that I made. I had them in the freezer. It's a little bit frozen, but I'm just gonna put some butter and a bit of jam, and they'll be defrosted by lunch. It's raspberry, coconut, and a few chocolate chips scone. They're so delicious. I'm putting the tiniest amount of jam, like tiny, like this much. It's only a tiny little scone, so cute. I'll share the recipe if you guys want it. In the middle, I'm putting a few Cheerios. Alexa, stop. That's the egg ready. Now I'm going to do him a roll. The egg. Okay, I forgot to film the pudding of the egg, so the egg is here. I would devour the sandwich. And that's the lunch.